cited both Kessel Run and Kobayashi, I think it was called. I hadn't heard that one. Wanda, I'm going to bring it back up to you. Let's talk one. Maybe you want to just give a thumbnail of what those two programs are so the listening audience understands those, since we've referenced it a couple of times. And then talk about what are your top 2 or 3 priorities over the next year.
Okay, so Kessel Run and Space Camp and Bespin and Kobayashi and Maru are software factories. Kessel Run was the first one as the model, and basically, cybersecurity was a huge part of this. Number one, you want to certify the process, the pipeline of how you develop and then infuse the security requirements into the testing, so that the product comes out secure. And the second part of that is hardening the infrastructure. As Matt mentioned, we did do pen testing on the infrastructure for Kessel Run and all those software factories, as well as Cloud One and Platform One. So we are infusing that type of approach across all of those efforts. Some priorities, the main thing is to support the CSAP's vision of accelerate, change, and lose. And we're doing that. From hardening our infrastructures, whether it be network or software factory, as I mentioned, bringing more emphasis on our operational technology and trying to balance new development while also protecting our legacy assets. Migration to the cloud continues to be a huge priority, as Matt mentioned as well, within the Army. So there's a lot going on, and I can go on for hours talking about all of the great efforts. Talent management certainly is a key piece of what I want to focus on, in the next couple of months, because we know that in order to continue to grow and mature, you have to have the right talent. And it's many skill sets that we require, from architecture to cybersecurity SMEs to data officers, AI, ML. We need all of those type of skill sets to ensure that the Air Force is able to change and accelerate, or we will certainly be continuing to have challenges as we prepare to protect our assets.